Hi, this is Venkat. In today's session, I am going to cover SCD and 200 interview questions. So, first of all, I am going to explain what is SCD and what are different types of questions in interviews people generally ask. SCD means slowly changing dimensions. Whenever there is a change in the source, what we need to do in our data warehouse tables that represents slowly changing dimensions. There are three types of SCDs: type 1, type 2, and type 3. So in SCD type 1, we are going to maintain only current information. I'm going to take a simple example to understand easily. I'm taking the source data like this: employee number 100, name Ravi, salary 2000. So in type 1, what we are going to do is we are going to insert a record: 100, Ravi 2000 initially. After some days, Ravi salary increased to 4000. Then what we are going to do, we are going to directly update our target table data in the data warehouse. So at any point of time in type 1, you can see only current data. What is the current salary of Ravi? You can tell 4000. What is the previous salary of Ravi? You cannot tell using this type 1. So that's why in type 1, we are going to maintain only current information. Whereas if you go for type 2, you are going to maintain complete history. Initially, Ravi salary is 2000. So here you are going to maintain 100, Ravi 2000. After some days, Ravi salary increased to 4000. Then again, what we are going to do in our data warehouse table, again we are inserting a new record: 100, Ravi 4000, and we maintain flags. Some people maintain record start and end dates. So old record N and a new record Y. After some days, again Ravi salary increased to 6000. Then again we will insert it. Whenever there is a change, we are inserting a record in type 2 and setting flag Y for new record and old record N. So here you can tell what is the current salary of Ravi: 6000, previous salary 4000, previous salary also you can tell. So what about SCD type 3? Here we are going to maintain only partial history. Partial history means only current and previous. What is the current salary of Ravi? 100, Ravi 2000 initially. So here you can tell 2000. So this is source data. So what is the previous salary of Ravi? There is no previous salary. Why? Because null. So here we are going to maintain two columns per salary. What is the current salary of Ravi and previous salary of Ravi? After some days, Ravi salary increases to 4000. Then previous salary becomes 2000 and current salary becomes 4000. After some days again, salary increases to 6000. Then current salary is 6 and the previous salary is 4000. Here you can tell what is the current salary of Ravi: 6000. What is the previous salary of Ravi? 4000. What is the previous salary of Ravi? We are not sure. So in real-time environment, most of the times we use either SCD type 1 or SCD type 2. Very rarely you can see SCD type 3. Why? Because SCD type 2 itself covers SCD type 3 information also. And one more thing they will ask in interviews: can you explain SCD type 1 flow? So you have to explain the entire flow: source qualifier, and then lookup on target, and then router, and then one target instance from insert target router group, and another target instance which is from update group. Before target instance, we need to use update strategy transformation to update the data. So you have to explain What is the purpose of each and every transformation here? Why we are using lookup? Why we are using update strategy? What are the conditions we are going to use? So here, if it is null, we are inserting it. If it is not null, we are updating it. Similarly, they will ask, can you explain SCD type 2 flow? So we have to explain. So this is SCD type 2 flow. Source qualifier, and then lookup on target, and then expression, and then router. So here we are using surrogate key concept, and then you can see two target, one for insert, one for update. We are updating only flag. So why we are using sequence generator? In order to maintain history, we cannot take directly source column as primary key, so we are going to maintain separate column. So you have to explain each and everything, either in SCD type 1 or SCD type 2. So this flows also very important. So after that I will show you 200 interview questions. So this is the blog. You can use this BI Informatica interview questions.blogspot.in. So here, see here, the 200 questions are divided into four parts. So you cannot go through everything at a time. So you can plan it accordingly. So first part contains 50 questions. These are all most frequently asked questions in interviews. So after that, you can see total four parts. Part 1 you can see, after that part 2, part 3 and part 4. So every part contains 50 interview questions. If you have any further questions also, you can contact us. Thank you.